Hi there, my name's Dan from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you a quick video presentation of the 2020 MG3 exclusive nav. This particular car was supplied by ourselves brand new and has completed just 14,114 miles. This one is the exclusive nav model, which comes with a range of fantastic features, starting with your 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Internally, a spacious 5-door car with 5 seats. The seats are a mix between leather and cloth. 5-speed manual gearbox. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Large media screen with DAB radio, navigation and rear reversing camera too. Towards the rear of the car, not only do you have a spacious boot, you've got your rear parking sensors in addition to your rear reversing camera. And rear seat access, which has got 40-60 split to be able to maximise your boot's load space. If you would like a personalised video on this car or any more information, contact Seaford MG on 01323 898 818.